I guess in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install NemoClaw on Windows 10 or 11 operating system. So first here, let's open this place, command prompt. And now you can see this here. Let's use the CLS command. So here in your system, first Node.js and npm must be there. So if I write this node minus v, then you can see this here or 24 node version 24 is there. So node in your system Node.js must be higher than 22, okay, in your system. And let's check the npm. So npm minus v, then you can see here this 11 is already installed. So in your system must be higher than 10 version. And let's check here git minus version. Then you can see here git is already installed, and this is the latest version of the git that is in my system. And python must also write there python minus minus version. So python version 3.10 higher must be installed in your system. So this software is required. So currently this is loading there 3.14. This is the latest version. So this all software must be installed in your system. Now thereafter let's use this CLS command. Thereafter with the help of this git. So with the help of this git that I'm going to install NemoClaw. So git, then the site clone http, and this your site nemoclaw.git. Press enter. So cloning into NemoClaw, and this updating file, this done. After that we need to change the directory sudo and NemoClaw. So directory that's changed there. Now the next is here. Now I'm going to install the NemoClaw. So npm install -g, G for Clover. Press enter, and now you need to wait for few second times. This added one package in 6 seconds. After that, simply now NemoClaw that install. So for this one, let's write there NemoClaw. Press enter. Then you can get this all command there. So here NemoClaw CLI getting started. You need to use this onboard, and here set up this management process deploy start. So first this command that's going to use there NemoClaw. Then right there on board. So here this Docker is not running. So in your system Docker must be installed. Then you should try this. So you should try after onboard. You can try after using the Docker. And here this command that's going to use there NemoClaw start. So if you give your start, then you should go on this link, and here sign in with Nvidia account, generate API, then paste in there. So here you need to go this site. So let's select. Now I copy this. Thereafter so here this is Nvidia site that's come there. Here accept this all. Now here you need to give this email ID and click on next, and that given API key you need to paste there. Then you can start using NemoClaw on the Windows operating system. So this lecture about how to do the installation of NemoClaw on the Windows. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.